How to embed your chatbot on Shopify. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to embed your chatbot on Shopify. Step 1. Log in your Shopify account. Click on Online Store. Click on Customize. Step 2. Adding Embed. Below Template, click on Add Section. Search and click on Custom Liquid. Step 3. Setting up an embed. On the left bar, double-click on Custom Liquid. Paste your code inside Liquid Code. Click on Save. Step 4. Check your chatbot in action. Click on the Exit icon. Click on the View Your Online Store icon. Congratulations! You have successfully embedded your chatbot on your Shopify website. This accomplishment will greatly enhance user engagement and support on your website.